Here we have been asked to solve a radical equation. Radical equation basically means that you have a root involved in your equation. The first step is you need to make sure that you isolate the root on one side of the equation. In this example, we see that the root is already by itself on the left-hand side. The second thing we need to do is raise both sides to the power that would undo the root. We see in this case, this is an understood square root. And so a second power would undo the square root. So we would raise the left and right side both to the second power. This would cancel my root symbol on the left. It would leave me with 8x minus 17, and then 1 squared is 1. From here, I can simply solve my equation. So I have 8x equals 18, and then divide out the 8, and I have x equals, and then go ahead and reduce that. 2 will go into both of those, so this would be 9 over 4. Now, I have two choices as far as how to teach this. Anytime you have an even root, then there is a possibility that the answer you receive is not a legitimate answer. There are two different ways to determine this. One way would be to actually check my value, 9 over 4, and plug it back in for x in the original equation and make sure that it gives me a true statement. The other way to check is go to the step where your root is isolated on one side and be sure that the value on the right-hand side is a positive value. As long as this value is positive and you have an even root, then whatever you get down here will be an okay answer.